In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a central hub for your business. Notion can become the single place where your team plans projects, creates content, and stores knowledge. Its customizable dashboards and databases let you see exactly what matters, while real-time collaboration and built-in AI help you work faster and stay organized across departments. We'll set up a central hub with clear sections for projects, content, CRM, knowledge, meetings, finance, and simple websites. Start by creating a home dashboard that links to each database. On that page, add key widgets like quick links, a team calendar view, and a My Tasks filter so everyone lands on the same source of truth. For project and task management, build a database and switch between Kanban, calendar, and timeline views. Add properties for assignee, status, priority, and due date. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and watch progress move from idea to done. Filters and saved views let each team see just their work, while roll-ups can summarize progress at the portfolio level. For content and marketing, create a content calendar. Plan campaigns, draft articles or newsletters, and track channels and publication dates. Use Notion AI to brainstorm outlines, rewrite intros for different platforms, and summarize briefs so stakeholders can review faster without losing context. To manage customer relationships, build a simple CRM. Store client details, track partnerships, link projects to each account, and record payments or renewal dates. Relational links between the CRM and project databases make status updates automatic and transparent. Your internal knowledge base becomes the place for company docs, brand guidelines, and SOPs. Organize pages by department, add templates for repeatable processes, and use search to surface answers quickly. This reduces repeated questions and speeds up onboarding. During meetings, capture notes directly in Notion. Tag the project they belong to, highlight owners and due dates, and ask Notion AI to summarize decisions and action items. Because notes live next to tasks, follow through is easy. For finances, maintain a secure database for budgets, invoices, and recurring expenses. Track amounts, categories, and approval status, and generate roll-ups that give leadership a quick snapshot. Finally, when you need a simple website or landing page, design a polished Notion page and publish it to the web. It's great for event pages, documentation, or lightweight product updates. With this hub in place, your team gains clarity, faster execution, and a reliable home for business knowledge.